Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Collaboration from a Norwegian company are now functioning and advising, and they are the consultants for this area, for which I am told they are paid around 60 crores for the national highway works. Being paid such a huge money, and PWD engineers are not allowed to change. They have to write to them and they change it. If they are allowing such works which are against the guidelines of the national highways, I am giving you those papers also, then I think something is wrong. Government must investigate how this bridge, both the bridges started construction, how the minimum height was not maintained, and whether the works are to the standard of the national highway guidelines. I take the opportunity today to thank the Chief Minister and the Principal Chief Engineer for the intervention, because I have also requested them to stop the work, because I don't want the exchequer to be into losses afterwards to break that bridge. So they should stop the work, give out the correct specifications, and the specifications should not be a secret only of the consultant. It should be brought to the domain. In fact, Panchayat has written me a letter. Please call the officers. The officers are running helter and skelter. They are also worried. They are also shocked and surprised. And I would like them to come for a meeting in panchayats, both the panchayats we can have a joint meeting, see the specifications. After the inquiry and after the investigation, only the work should start.